These are the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen with a USB Type-C charging cable. These things are awesome because they are very low latency, which are perfect for using as video editing wireless earbuds. Now, ideally, you don't want to use wireless earbuds for editing video, but Apple has done an amazing job lowering the latency of the audio on these things. Boom! Right here. Designed by Apple in California. Of course, we have the typical AirPods Pro, quick start, user manual, all the good stuff right here. Did you guys know that the AirPods Pro can be charged via USB-C now? But don't forget, it can also be charged wirelessly like so, whether you're using the wireless watch charger or a regular wireless charging pad like that. Now these AirPods Pro are even sweeter. Here we have the AirPods Pro USB-C. Finally, boom! With the USB-C version, they also updated the case and they gave it the ability to do lossless audio when connecting to Apple Vision system. So we'll learn about that in future releases, but this is pretty sweet. This case actually has a speaker built in, so if you need to locate your AirPods Pro case, you can do it from your phone, once it's paired of course. What else is in here? Boom! Oh, nice! We got our USB cables and we have our ear tips. Boom! 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 There we go. We got the small, extra small, large, and of course, we have the medium ones installed. And we have our beautifully braided cables. Let's take a look at the cables right here. Nice. USB-C and, of course, USB-C. So USB-C to USB-C, braided cable. There's a charging cable right there. The AirPods Pro Gen 2 USB Type-C with the lanyard loop right there. Are we ready to pair? And this is why AirPod Pros are so awesome, because the H2 chip in this makes it easy to pair. Boom! Open it up and we're ready to rock and roll. Let's go! Pair! Look at that! AirPods Pro ready to connect? Let's do it! Connect! And just like that, it's paired. Media control, so it teaches you how to use it too. Look at that. So this is how you adjust the volume. You can adjust the volume by sliding down the stem or up the stem. Nice. Press and hold on either AirPods to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Little things like this makes it so nice. Press the volume slider to view additional control for noise cancellation and transparency. So easy to access. We can also have announced calls and stuff like that. We can customize it for now. Let's close out of that. But now our AirPods Pro are connected. Wow, look at that. Adaptive audio dynamically responds to your environment and cancels or allows external audio. This is very important because, like, for example, you're in a loud area. Instead of passing through the audio very loud and hurting your ear, which has happened to me, this one will control the volume level as it passes through audio, and it passes through pretty much in real time, yet it attenuates the audio. I love it. You also got the personalized volume, adjust the volume of media in response to your environment. You also got the conversational awareness. When you start speaking, AirPods Pro will lower your media volume, reduce background noise, and enhance voices in front of you. What? That's nice. I want that. There we go. Our AirPods Pro are installed. Finally, I got my hands on the AirPods Pro Gen 2 USB Type-C. Let's go.